Hello, my friends. Welcome to my first ever meal prep video, like my first ever real meal prep video. This is just me going through the motions. I had the camera running while I was in my kitchen, chopping up some vegetables and prepping two meals specifically, which were going to be two pieces of one meal. So I wanted to just hop on here and tell you what you are about to see. Typically, the way my meal prep goes is we choose one meal for me to make for most of our dinners, or in my husband's case, lunches, depending on what order he decides to eat things at work per week. And this week I decided to take it a step further. I usually do just like some chicken or something like that. Today I decided I was going to do two different recipes that I had never made before. And those two recipes are as follows. They are the Light Cravings one pot macaroni and cheese. It is one pot of macaroni and cheese. I've never made this recipe before. It was a little bit of a mess. I actually ended up having to transfer it into a bigger pot in the middle of cooking it. So when you notice a different pot, that's what happened. I ran out of room and was making a huge mess. Real life, y'all, real life. And then the second recipe I decided to make was from Hungry Girl, and it was French onion mini meatloaves. Both of these recipes are 5 points plus a piece, and that means that my dinner, which is 2 mini meatloaves, one serving, is 5 points. 1 cup of the macaroni and cheese is also 5 points. I can do math. 5 points. And then I roasted some broccoli for us to have as a vegetable, which is 0 points. So my dinner in total every day this week is going to be 10 points plus, and I'm super stoked about it. I'm not gonna lie. I ate one already today and it was super good. I'm quite pleased with how things turned out. I might modify things a little bit next time, but for now, it turned out really well. I will have the recipes linked down below for you, and in the meantime, enjoy watching me make a mess of my kitchen.